In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update apps on the App Store for your iPhone and iPad. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial not only for enjoying the latest features, but also for ensuring optimal performance and security. Sometimes updating apps might seem complicated, but I promise you by the end of this guide, you'll find it as easy as pie. Let's begin by launching the App Store app. Look for its icon on your home screen, which appears as a stylized A made out of 3 lines on a blue background. Once you tap on it, you'll find yourself on the App Store's main page. Now, eye the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture or a generic icon if you haven't set one yet. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to manage your apps, among other settings. Once tapped, it will lead you to a menu packed with different options related to your account and apps. As you scroll down, locate the section labelled Available Updates. This is your go-to spot for seeing what updates are lining up for your apps. Here you'll observe a list of apps that have newer versions ready to be downloaded and installed. It's always a good idea to check this section regularly to keep your device running smoothly. Once you find yourself in the Available Updates section, you'll notice each app has an Update button next to it. At this point, you can choose to update individual apps that you may want to focus on. Simply tap the Update button next to the desired app and the download will begin. This is particularly useful if you have limited data or space, but need a specific app to be updated right away. Alternatively, if you'd like to save some time, you can use the Update All button. This button is your fast track to ensuring all your apps are up to date without having to tap each one individually. Just a single tap and all your pending updates will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, these updates can take a little time, so feel free to continue using your device or take a break while it works in the background. And there you have it. Updating your apps on the App Store is seamless and ensures your apps function correctly and securely. Regular updates can resolve known issues, enhance performance, and most importantly can add new and exciting features to your favorite apps. I hope this guide empowers you to maintain your device effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your apps updated to get the most out of them. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.